Van Ladder is known for making accessories to simplify sign work. From our multi-leveled rotating fork system, to the face bar, the banner spindle, pattern arms, and project bag, we're focused on making an installer's job safer, easier, and more efficient. But did you know that every accessory in the Van Ladder arsenal originated from a head scratch? That's right. We're continually in the field with companies like yours, hanging signs and scratching our heads when confronted with challenges. One such challenge occurred during an installation in Indiana. Indiana Signworks used the Van Ladder to install a total of 4 signs on 2 different buildings. On the first sign, their Elliot did the lifting. That's okay. We know how to be a good little brother. But the second building had a rather severe overhang, making it difficult to dangle the sign from above. We asked if the Van Ladder could fly solo on this one. The first head-scratching moment was this. Between the cabinet and the letters was a flexible face, not designed to bear weight. The solution? We used a couple of 4x4 scraps to keep the weight on the cabinet rather than on the face. This worked fine for the next 2 signs. The rotating fork system made it easy to square up with the wall, and the installer's hands were free to use his tools. But the last sign proved to be the biggest head scratcher of all. The distance between the cabinet and the bottom of the flexible face was about 7 inches. This sign was just not designed to be supported from the bottom, so the installers hung it from the Chariot's upper forks, which they pinned at an elevated height to make a little jib. It worked. Back at the shop, our R&D guys designed a jib attachment for the Chariot Bucket's rotation system. The first thing we did was show it to Rick, a local sign installer, to get his feedback. When the prototype was finished, we headed to Precision Signs to invade their boneyard. We found an old Valvoline sign to use for our experiment. John was more than happy to send it with us. Once back at the shop, we hooked up the jib attachment. See how quickly it connects? Then we installed lifting lugs on the sign and pulled it off the trailer. As you can see, the jib attachment rides on the rotation system, giving the operator 140 degrees of movement. The front padding on the jib is made from the same material used on boat docks to keep boats from being scratched, and it's bent to a radius to give a slight amount of flex. Now there's a new weapon in our installation arsenal, the jib attachment.
The jib holds up all the weight. You can balance the panel, as simple as I've ever done it. And this is quite something. So thank you. Easy.
At Van Ladder, we're continually striving to simplify sign and lighting work. Maybe we could make your life easier.